all. If a person like you know go that. You don't get shame for how you don't think your life. Shame not there with you. Not be poor. They there so they carry 3 months old baby. You go look and teach her like you. You don't get shame.
Talk now, they hear you. Talky. Now so worry for yourself. Talk.
Shame.
Go shame too. Talk.
Go book us. You got a video right.
Why not?
Right, I say you do where you first this thing. I say you write sin, happy sin, sin 1 to almost sin 100. I laugh. Continue to do your
You get fire. You get fire. Go down and give all those people where you say all those women when they tell say that's what they do for their house. Go do one for their own brother. Go do one now. You say that.
I go report to mommy. Okay, talk so.
Why not?
If na
go do and give those.
I go carry the woman. The life of the woman head. So I go carry you go meet the woman.
Thank God say.
Before I don't carry this woman, they go this.
Thank God say they record am now.
Give the woman the children the food before you go see me say I carry the woman. The children they go drop. I must get. I don't want to use empty but let I carry the children go drop. That should they like. For
which day they give them food?
If I not give you food.
For which day they give them food?
They see me. So if before you go, I go put food for ground for you. You go inside. You come go outside. Go sit down. You go no. You dey lie say and they give you food. God go pay you. Or they continue your life. You lie. God they see you. The begging na God na go answer. No. If I not they give you food, they chop you. Or not give you food, they chop. This one not go here. This word you not go stand for inside they dance.
Talk more. Monday, you don't go give them food. Tuesday, you not go give them food. Wednesday, you not go give them food. Thursday, you not go give them food. Friday, you not go give them food. Saturday, you not go give them food for morning. You not go give them food for afternoon.
No.
Now booker that they go shop.
Then Monday you come catch money for me.
For Monday morning, what did they shop? Monday morning, what did they shop? Monday morning, what did your picking they shop now? Talk now. Tuesday morning, what did they shop? Wednesday morning, what did they shop? Thursday morning, what did they shop? No, talk now, now. Friday morning, what did they shop? What you don't ever want to give them rice Monday morning? You don't want to give them rice Tuesday morning? Talk now. I dey hear you now. No. Nah. Talk. Which person they follow the sit down? Pot of soup. Thank God say talk and well. I dey hear you well. Pot of soup. You talk one. I dey hear you. That make you get the mind to come tell me. Say when they take light, make her off your gen. When they bring light, make her on your gen. Talk am now. Talk with you. Talk now. So what you come bring gen come? Because Nigeria bring story come. What you come bring your freezer come? When they off light, they see you. They see you yeah. He there yeah. They myself they film you. Unyara. Talk more.
See me and they give them food. If I go that afternoon, before I go come, it's too much. At least 1.
Sit down with me.
I don't come. 1, 2, I don't come. Would it be your problem? Would it be your problem? So and they give them food for morning and they give them food for afternoon. That's why they judge.
Not lie.
You dey lie for my head. And
which food they give them for Monday morning? Which food they give them for Monday for Tuesday morning? Which food they give them for Wednesday morning? Which food they give them for Thursday morning? Which food they give them for Friday morning? Which food they give them for Saturday morning? Which food they give them for Saturday morning? Which food they give them for Saturday afternoon? Is there video now?
If you make tea, make tea for your pikin. Make your pikin drink tea.
Every day.
Not be one bad thing.
Okay, so you admit.
If you make
tea. So you agree saying you don't give them food. So you agree saying you don't give them food. So you agree saying you don't give them food.
Am I not giving you food? Yes or no?
So you agree saying you don't give them food.
Am I not giving you food? Yes or no?
Talk now. You agree. So you agree saying no they give them food. So you agree saying no they give them food. Talk now.
bath your pikin one day, you go video round.
They go video round.
You go video round. Say that the bath pikin. Okay, see bow now. Bow now. Take a look of bow now. I say leave the pikin and go dey carry am.
Talk now.
You don't run reach there. And if you can't, you go
talk well. Talk well. They say
you.
Talk.
Okay. Bow on now.
You agree?
No carry bow. If I go see, you know, rub up, you don't run. Go. You go. See me here.
So why you know they carry am since now?
See me here. So I dey carry am since.
So why you know they carry am since? Why you know they carry am since? Why you know they carry am since now? Must they talk to you before you carry am? Because you are irresponsible. Me see that. Talk. Give am food for money. Give am food for money. They give am food for every money. Talk. I dey hear you. Talk am. I go document you. You are a very bad woman. I go document you. Forget. Not follow me stay. Even so you be person wey follow stay. Me say I carry and give person wey follow stay too. I follow person wey carry and give too. Talk. Which woman? Woman. You go mash am. Talk now. One day the marriage go finish. You go your way. Which me dey bear? Which me dey bear for? Which me dey bear for? Which me dey bear for? Talk well. To hell with you too. I not get your time. Shege Barawo, get out. Film. Children, which children? Now children, now you could be now you could now you define a belle.
You be mad, you lie pass anything.
Now you define belle.
You lie pass everything.
Lie for where?
Okay, if I dey like take a look of this picture. Of this pikin. This pikin now before you go see only in don't wrong.
Why not go?
Me and I will go jump. Okay.
Why not go? Why me not go? You are irresponsible.
You not see your life. Chris, my girl, person. Me and you go do and you go see.
We go see him now. They do and they go now. They do and they go.
That's my bag.
They do and they go. They push you now.
They
do and they go. Don't bring on that story now. Don't bring on that story now. Talk on that story. Make a hear now. New story now. New story. Now you don't form on that story now. You form story now so that the neighbor he will follow me the verse.
You say I go do the show finish. I will give mommy.
I call him.
God go answer you.
Which food they give your pikin for Monday morning? Talk now. You dey call him now. Isha.
All these clothes. Pick the one you buy.
Talk.
Pick the one you buy.
Talk.
And no matter before I go, I dey give the children their food.
For where?
That Saturday before I go see come. Before 1 or 2 come.
You can't give them food.
Before I go see, yeah, you don't carry the children they go. And carry the children they go video now.
Why not?
But before I don't think all the time. Okay, on Saturday yesterday, come see me here. Me, what you did yesterday morning? What you did in the morning? In the morning yesterday. Who make it for you? God go bless you. God go answer you.
Once listen. Talk now.
Lawyer, it don't change. Anyone talk, you go see fine.
Talk now. What did I come shop for afternoon?
Food for them.
You make food for them.
I go market before around 1 never come.
For where?
You say don't carry the shit.
They film them again.
Waiting.
They feed them every day.
Follow the other girlfriend.
Do. See him mouth.
Deceive me. And the same life now you say leave. You don't start again. They lie. God is my witness.
Thank God.
God goes on. My prayers may God expose you. People go know who you be.
That's so.
Shameless. Don't get shame.
Talk.
If na Mr. Beast you call them, they say me okay. Once so you go carry your pikin, go. You got the document. So people dey say this your husband.
Is it okay?
Look and wait. Many people talk about to God. Many. Say make the word. Look and wait.
Thank God say.
Say you go help me one day. No, they help me. One of they sick last time. I sick to death. Now God said they do something. I come beg you say, I beg help me with smoking. The man charge me 10,000 naira.
The sick.
What do you ask me? You see, make I go back, I go cut leaf.
Yes.
What do you ask me? That one, man, when I put for my mouth die, you not go bury her. Wicked, pass anything. What do you mean you put that picture for room? If I go see my mouth,
that picture you didn't marry.
I said, don't want to video. I can't think serious. So you not see take my mouth. One day see my mouth for eye before my mouth die. Woman, also see the beer.
Swallow what? Swallow what? What did they swallow?
And they see person say, yeah, the man no even this. When the mama die, the man will say because of the children when they don't both make us go the bury. Bury up my man, you not go.
Abi.
Waiting. What did I do you?
Abi.
I said the
beer rubbish.
Worry me.
Worry yourself.
Food, mother. Say, oh, if you get, I say, man, why? What be your problem? Every day. If you not be pot of soup, go find another one again. Pot of soup. Or kerosene. Or if you not go kerosene, kitchen or gari. I don't find the gari. Oil. I don't get different. I wish I buy. If I want to support, you go buy. You go call somebody. How many children you get? You buy 10 liters of coconut. You go use pass half. Come out. Now you go use for 31 days. And you buy the join the kerosene they support. What I say, I cannot use your stove again.
Yes.
You cannot use your stove. Now every day they use them. They do so. So if I do so, you're not go happy. Maybe the money for they do small thing for inside the house. Because I find you go buy chicken. I go buy that one. I go cook and
fresh
go
fish.
shop am. I go buy fresh fish. You go shop am. You know go know. Because I go outside. I go buy food come better.
I go shop am too. Salad.
Shop am. You know talk. But if I won't go to the market now, na problem. You don't start to the shout. Waiting. No, I leave the children the food. They give the children the food though.
They give them food there. Every day they give them food.
See me here.
Talk am in opportunity now. Hold your belly, me the hear am now. Me the at least person go see know how you be. Documentary now. All teachers. It depends on the all teachers. On quotes. Whether na those ones where they send their husband out to buka to go feed children, or where they pretend say that they do am for their house, but they can't tell you say na so it good make they do am. Na all teachers, all unquote underlined. The word all teachers. All teachers every morning their husband carry paper bag and go outside and buy food for their child. All teachers Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the husband carry paper bag and buy. The wife don't cook at all in the house. All teachers every Saturday the husband carry their child to buka to eat. All teachers. Let us know the meaning of the word all teachers. That does like you. All teachers. Underline the word all teachers. Let us find out the meaning of the word all teachers. Then those all teachers that does it, let them come out and come out say it that this is how they do in their house. The all teachers. Underline the word all teachers. Well, myself go like to see the all teachers. No, let us find out the meaning of the word all teachers. You say all teachers does it. All teachers. Let us know the meaning of the word all teachers. Let us see the meaning of all teachers now.
Let the answer say why you not consider my wife.
All teachers.
My wife leave picking for me. You lie for my head.
Lie for your head. Not be so. Not be true. Not be true before.
Me, I leave picking for you.
Not be true they do before.
Don't see your life.
Talk am well now.
Carry your wife, they go for principal say na me.
Not be so you they do before.
Which picking I leave for you?
Not be so you they do before. They talk am now. Not be so you they do before. They talk am me. You know where hospital dey? You know where hospital dey?
That time you go Neko, now you take go now.
Why you carry this kind of woman come this compound? I be bad person. Principal stop me for to say why you bring this kind of woman enter this compound. Now come the child come say you good.
Your husband. He said if you follow your wife bad.
Bad.
You go and announce it.
Now so now you be we again now. You must show yourself. You be aware. Principal, some for road, the husband say, why you bring this kind of woman enter this compound? I not get shame. Talk. I be human being before. Me say they talk to animal now. If we marry you too, me say we carry and give the person too now. Now so they talk documentary to this night. I must document you. For Udoguhan, you not succeed. You see, open your crow eye. That Udogun will not show you sense. You don't live with you know as I be because you dey find where I'll carry gbese. You see go carry carpenter come. You see me carry carpenter say do here from here. You go carry carpenter come. Carpenter do chef. Carpenter do zinc. Carpenter do this one. Do all of them. More time. Small time. Okay. Waiting cap. Talk am.
Why you dey lie?
Talk am. Talk am.
I mean carry capital. Come on and carry capital. Na me make the capital pay. I pay 2,800. When you dey complain say I dey comot. So now man always say they are okay. If I don't do anything, see your children, my children they buy them. Bang, door open. You not care. If I dey comot, they go buy that bread. I go fit pay. I go fit get money to do am. I go fit get money. You not care. No me pay the man. Let me pay 2,800. Give us they do the all the.
Don't change your story now.
What they call them?
Don't change the story they talk about.
Net.
Don't change the story. Don't change the
story. Now you call them so now okay they call them boat. The man say na 100 naira. I not get change. This God no change. Gonna okay. You go give her if you want give her if you want.
Me go give her.
If you want PM the other you go give. Say I not get change. You come you say you no go give her. Say you not get change. The man come now come say. Hey, he say you not give him the money. I said what thing happen? He say you dey judge for na say na you everybody just come on carpenter now you just again say he say and they respect you.
Make
you
hear
with they just when the man they just you know I they like you there yesterday when the man they talk you dey inside house so you no fit come outside. You say you not say you know they respect her and take care of the children there and they buy the children the carpenter. I watch up. I say I not get change. I will try my cup of money no change. Now he come back the next day so I give him the 100 naira. You know she worry. Everybody judge me around was that's bad. What thing? What of people they marry all those them okay they call them I they call them bankers. When they come up at 7 o'clock, and how you go be? Person like you marry banker, you think marry banker? See what I do you? How good though? Why they do so? God will answer you. They forget they switch you say this and this and this. God will answer you.
God will answer me.
7 o'clock you go enter.
God will answer me.
Small brother and they say they say take care of the children. What I do? The things when you they buy for inside them the soap. They wash clothes, I mean they buy. Children clothes, I mean they buy. Waiting. If you get bush when you to Jericho, I mean them they do. Their shoe, go pick one shoe and I mean Christmas day, go when I boy they happy, giddy. 1 naira you know go drop, say they beg. So if I beg, shit when you they sleep, who buy most things for the house. I mean, so if I sit down relax, you go greet one. If I sick say I not well for you, you bring 1 naira.
Documentary.
So you marry me to take you. Not be documentary. I go say documentary. People go just say yeah, know who you be too. If I talk like and God go see answer me. If I talk like.
That's what they live with me for house.
God,
that's how she live with me inside house.
What I do you? What I do you?
What be time?
What I do you? Not be what I do you? So finish, you go down. Can they see finish?
Talk am, look at the hear you.
What I do you?
Now so you be Mimi, wait, let me see your body. Leave her. Don't flight. Talk well. God go pay me. They swear give me now.
My body are paying me.
Sorry. God go pay me. Now that's not part of the way they swear. Who sent you?
He charge you 400.
Who sent you the job? Who sent you the job?
Both me I pay 2,800 naira. You pay 400.
Who sent you job? Who sent you that job? Who sent you the job? Who sent you the job to go and do that?
I don't come.
You don't come, Abi.
But if I go see you don't hide them straight.
My camera has time.
To General Hospital. To General Hospital. Straight to General Hospital.
Thank God, say
after you feel regulate time.
Thank God, say.
People
Thank
don't
God,
know who
say.
you be. Before you record you they don't say you be a lawyer. Before I go come,
them no say I be lawyer. So there's some group of people that
lie. For the money I go do
them know.
This dog, the flower, who clear am?
Who send you message?
That man 1,000 naira to clear the flower.
Who send you message?
And the all the 1,000.
Who is sending you the message now?
This time I say I beg.
Na me send you message. Na me send you message.
Beg the man 500 naira. Beg 500 naira.
Who they send you the message
now?
now?
1,000 naira they pay. 1,000 naira.
Who they send you before?
What is for this? Na me they pay.
No, you dey pay. Who is sending you message?
You know make I don't think make I just sit down.
No talk now.
Make I not do anything.
Who send you that message?
Man they do to clear. You agree clear am? You agree clear the flower.
Who send you message?
You agree clear the snake of that people.
Wait, now question they ask you.
I met them without this snake for that flower.
Flower.
And because of the children now, they don't know.
By first Tamara.
Without this snake, but they want to you not go for your eye. As I trim and so you not fine.
Who they send you message?
Oh, you collect your money, you put it for.
Let me send you.
For the children.
Let me send you.
So as you born inside the back for children, you don't know.
So they buy the clothes, eh?
Go pick one cluster, you buy clothes. Pick one cluster, now you buy all the children their shoe.
Okay.
Go pick one cluster, now you buy them. Pick her now.
I dey see you now.
Now you buy them.
I dey see you now.
I'm still supporting.
One woman they tell you.
I'm not telling anyone. No woman tell me anything. Not the judge for my head.
One woman. Every day one woman.
Na lie. No woman. Not the lie for my head.
One woman. Alias one woman.
Don't be me sorry.
Talk more. Mimi come on. One woman.
You know ever see and talk with say you and the people. If you're not gonna meet get man.
Come outside now. That place dark.
Let go for smoke cigar. Go.
Talk more. Talk more.
You come.
Talk more. I know they see you well. You bring while I go give you back. Yeah. One woman. Come talk say one woman. Come enter my house. One woman. Always one woman. Who is this one woman that is?
The money. That time on Saturday one they go.
Thank God say she admit am.
Now only they tie the run.
Before na lie they talk before.
They run. If they think of that, I'm sure give them food from that house. All the people picking here, still call am.
Thank God say admit am. Video deal.
If na you be daddy.
I not call name. I not they call name. Now so you they try to. Now so you they join any boy head together. But thank God say they don't understand you. Not call people name here. Thank God say talk. You are documented. Thank God. May they know the kind of person you be. In 10 years time, they can't know why. The kind of person I was staying with. Talk. Do your hand. Do your eye. Do your eye. Make they see am. Do me. So that they can't know say Giwa. What? Come here.
And they can't say they assist.
Talk more.
They assist the house.
Talk more.
If there is finish, you go to shout.
Talk more.
If you cannot use it, if you go to
talk more. Let me see that your face.
And they kind of
what?
Buy things. When you say when we use, they use. What thing?
Let me see that face. See that face. Talk again now. Talk more now. Let me sit down here. Sit down here. Can I see your body? Talk more now. Call name now. Make sure they know the names now. Now you open your belly. Now so it's when I talk, he want to make sure say me and Francis head join together. I say Francis say he see me they carry my laptop out. She can't change her mouth. You say Francis carry your laptop out. I wonder what is wrong with this guy. I say Francis say he see me they drop my laptop out. He can't the one force and say I say I can't see me bring phone out. Can't talk for phone. Now you head correct. Now you know they bring their neighbor name now. They come now. You want to come, they talk say one neighbor do one thing inside this phone. Talk all your talk, you do inside this phone. They go know who you be. You are a bad woman. Talk. Talk, call names now. Call names. I don't put name now of what kind of person you are. Call anybody name now. Talk name. Talk name. He dey inside here. I'm ready for you this night. Call name. Call name. Call name. Name tire you. You say call name. Oh phone. Call name. Name tire you. Call name. Nonsense.